Good evening. The new era of Jamaica's football has now started following Saturday's appointment of Bruce Gaynor to the post of interim president for a 2-month period. It followed Wednesday's burial of Captain Horace Burrell, the driving force behind Jamaica's golden era, which reached a dizzying height of qualification to the 1990 World Cup in France. Now, while the veteran administrator Gaynor defeated fellow Vice President Raymond Anderson by a vote of 12-4 to earn his 60-day reign, the focus now switches to the race to find a president for the next 4 years. If you've been following the narrative since Captain Burrell's passing last month, a number of names have come to the fore as it relates to possible candidates. We've heard of administrators within and outside of the football fraternity being mentioned. Included among those not integrally involved in football are former CEO of Windies Cricket 2007 Chris Derring, as well as Mr. Ian Wilkinson QC, the current president of the Jamaica Chess Federation. Derring has since told the Gleaner it's unlikely he would win given he's not worked integrally in football circles. Wilkinson, it seems, could consider offering himself. Now, the obvious candidates from within the fraternity who have declared an interest are Gaynor and Anderson, along with Craig Butler. But perhaps the man most suited to be GFF president is the former General Secretary, Horace Reid, who worked along with the captain while Jamaica's football brand was at its best. Reid, who is now CONCACAF's Caribbean football director, was coy when sports commentators spoke with him on Sunday. Reid, who says he has unfinished business that CONCACAF, also indicated he is not yet ready to step into the opportunity as the GFF boss until another 2 years. And while Reid noted he would turn down the chance if asked to decide today, he would not rule out the possibility of running in the next 60 days. That's when the date would be set for a special Congress to elect a long-term president. Now, I would not be surprised if Reid is convinced to run, as quite frankly, he commands the respect of the local, regional and international football fraternity. I'm Keon Reyna. Good evening.